Today we will discuss some important questions for board examination. So first question is, for the ellipse, find the length of major and minor axis, coordinates of focus and vertices, and the eccentricity of ellipse 16x square plus 25y square is equal to 400. So equation of ellipse is given 16x square plus 25y square is equal to 400 of x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1. If we compare given equation by x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, then we find a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 4. So a is greater than b here. It means ellipse is of horizontal form. So in this case, length of major axis is 2a. 2a is length of major axis, or will be equal to 2 into 5 or is equal to 10. It means length of major axis is 10 here. Length of minor axis is 2b. So 2 into 4 is equal to 8. It means length of minor axis is 8. Now coordinates of vertices. In this case, coordinates of vertices is plus minus a0. So coordinates of vertices will be plus minus 50. And coordinates of focus is plus minus a0. So for finding the vertex, for finding the vertices of focus, first we find eccentricity of given ellipse. We know that b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. So b square upon a square is equal to 1 minus e square, or e square will be equal to 1 minus b square upon a square, or will be 1 minus, because b square is 16 and a square is 25. It means e square will be equal to 9 by 25, or e is equal to 3 by 5. It means eccentricity is 3 by 5 here. So coordinates of focus will be plus minus a0. So will be equal to a is 5 and e is 3 by 5, 0. It means coordinates of focus will be plus minus 30. So length of major axis is 10, length of minor axis is 8, coordinates of vertices is plus minus 50, and coordinates of focus will be plus minus 30, and eccentricity of ellipse will be 3 by 5. Now we solve next problem. Find the equation of the ellipse whose axes are along the coordinate axis, vertices plus minus 50 and focus at plus minus 40. Let the equation of ellipse be x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. In this case, coordinates of vertices will be plus minus a0, but given that coordinates of vertices is plus minus 50, so if you compare, then you find a is equal to 5. Given that coordinates of focus is plus minus 40, but in this case coordinates of focus is plus minus a0, but given that coordinates of focus is plus minus 40, it means AE is equal to 4. So using the formula for eccentricity, b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. B square will be equal to a square minus ae whole square, and b square will be equal to a is 5, so a square will be 25, and value of a is 4, so 4 square is 16, so b square will be equals to 9. So b square is 9 here. Now on putting the value of a square and b square in given equation, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1, then we find x square upon 25 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1 is required equation of ellipse. Now we solve next problem. Find the equation of ellipse whose axes are parallel to the coordinate axis, having its center at the point 2, -3, one focus at 3, -3 and one vertex at 4, -3. So given that center is 2, -3. One focus is 3, -3 and one vertex is 4, -3. We know that distance between center and vertex is length of same major axis. It means distance between center and vertex will be a, or will be equals to under root 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus minus 3 whole square, or will be equals to a is equal to 4 plus 0, or will be equals to 2. It means a is 2 here, and distance between center and focus is AE. It means AE will be equals to under root AE distance between center and focus, so 2 minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 minus minus 3 whole square, or will be equals to 1. It means AE is 1. So AE is 1 and A is equal to 2, so E will be equals to 1 upon 2. It means eccentricity is 1 upon 2 here, but we want to find here equation of ellipse. So using the formula for eccentricity, b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square, or b square will be equals to a square minus a square e square, or will be, because a is 2, it means a square will be 4 and ae is 1, so ae square will also be 1, so b square is equal to 3. So value of a is 2 and b is under root 3. We know that equation of ellipse whose center is HK and length of major axis is 2a and length of minor axis is 2b is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square upon a square upon b square is equal to 1. Because center point is 2 minus 3 here, so x minus 2 whole square upon, because a square is 4 plus y minus 3, it means y plus 3 whole square upon 3 is equal to 1 is required equation of ellipse whose center point is 2 minus 3, focus is 3 minus 3 and one vertex is 4 minus 3 is x minus 2 whole square upon 4 plus y plus 3 whole square upon 3 is equal to 1 is required equation of ellipse.